As a designer, you probably struggle with creating your own styles. Civil 3D styles are basically how objects are displayed in Civil 3D. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get so many styles in a very easy way. So make sure you stick all the way to the end so that you see how to get the styles in a very simple way. So how we'll do it is that we're going to go to the web and look for country kits. So go to your favorite browser and type Civil 3D country kits. Hit enter. The browser will show you a series of links where you can find the country kits. So the first link here, you can click on it and go straight to the country kits. It will take a bit of time, but now it's here. It's written July 25, 2022, but once you click on the country kits, you'll see that they are up to date. So the country kits usually have a collection of styles that are common in our country. For example, here we can download the country kits for Australia and New Zealand. So that country kit will come with styles that will suit most of our Civil 3D objects. So let's see. Let's click on Australia. Let's go to the latest country kit and download that country kit. It will take some time. Once the computer is done downloading, we go to where the country kit has been downloaded and you can double click to install. So you wait for it to install again. Click on yes. It starts extracting. So this country kit will have profile styles, profile view styles. It will have alignment styles. It will have data bands. It has so many things or so many objects that we can utilize straight without having the hassle of creating those styles from scratch. So let's wait again for it to install. Once it is complete, you click on finish and you go to your home page of your computer and you look for the country kit. You refresh. So here at the Civil 3D icons, you notice that one icon has been added, one for the Civil 3D 2024 ANZ, Australia and New Zealand. ANZ is an acronym of Australia and New Zealand. So we go to the Civil 3D and we open that. We wait for it to open so that we see what it entails. Once Civil 3D opens, we can go to our settings tab. Here at the toolspace, we can toggle on and go to the settings tab. And for example, we can check out the surfaces. Let's see the surface styles, whether there are some styles. As you can see, it's populated by a lot of ANZ styles. These are styles that you normally not see when you open the Matrix Civil 3D, the default. You can check out another object. Let's see the point styles. Let's see plenty of styles that we can choose from. So let's put this thing to the test. Let's put this thing to the test. Let's see first of all whether there's some other styles here. Let me look at the profile view. The profile view styles. quite a number of styles. So let's put these styles to the test. Let's see whether we can create a profile and that process is automated or becomes shorter for us. So let me create a surface. A polyline that is 300 meters long. I wanted to create it perpendicular, so let me delete it first. So let me delete it again. 300. I want to create a feature line from that. Create feature line from object. I'll pick the object and click enter. And as you can see, we also have a style for the feature line. We have a style that you can pick from here that has been brought in through the country kit. So let me pick that, and then I will assign an elevation, and then I will erase the existing entity, the polyline. And here, let me just assign it 250 meter elevation. And I click OK. So there we go. We have our feature line. And once I click on the feature line, the contextual tab shows up, and then I'll do an offset for this feature line. So I'll do a stepped offset. I think it's here. Yeah, stepped offset. I specify the distance. Let me just specify up to there. Let me repeat that. Sorry. Specify distance. Let me just click 300 as well. Decide to offset this one, and then the elevation difference. I'll do a difference of negative 5 meters. So there we go. Escape. We have two feature lines. So I want to create a surface from this. Add to surface is break line. And I'll call it EG. And just go with OK. So here we have our style. We have our surface. So if we look at it, we do have a style, surface, I mean. So I want to do a profile on this surface to see whether actually we've created country kits, or I want to create a profile view so that we can see how we can have a different profile view than the one we had seen at first. Alright, so I will start by creating an alignment creation tools. I will go with the defaults, and here you can see also for the alignment style we can go with different alignment styles. So let me go with the default. I want to put that alignment in a side, and then I will just do a tangent as our alignment from here to here, and then I'll click enter. And also here we have a label style that has been created automatically. So let me look at the profile view. I'll just click on the surface, and then I'll create a surface profile, and then I'll add this, and then I'll draw in profile view. I'll create profile without going through all those pages, and I'll put it there. As you can see, the surface profile or the profile view comes with a particular style automatically. This is because we have installed our country kit, and there's a default style that is drawn once you do the profile command. So let's go to the settings and see which profile view that is. So let's go to the profile view. Let's expand. Let's go to commands and create profile view. let's see the default profile that has come here. The profile view style is called ANZ5X exaggeration. And if we hover or if we click on that profile view and right click and go to the profile view style, we see it's the same. If I go to the information tab, you'll see it's the same style. So the country kits come with pre-installed styles, and even the commands are already set up in such a way that if you draw or if you execute the command of the profile view, it will come as a already populated profile view. And if it's any other object, also if you look at this surface, this has a particular surface style. It's not the normal surface styles that we're used to, the design or um, background surface styles. This is different. We can look at it and see what it is, surface properties. Let's see the style. It's called NZ contours at 0.5 meters. Okay, and if you don't want to change it, you just close there and see the different styles. Here we can also see that there's a data band. There's a data band for design levels, existing levels, depth between the design levels and the existing levels. There's a shaded data band. One good thing is that we can also build on these styles. We can build on them, create more styles from these existing styles. So if you've been struggling with creating your own styles, you can utilize country kits. This is not the only country kit, we just downloaded one. There are several other country kits on the web where we've come from. So here you can see from Austria, from Belgium, Brazil. So if you do a design from any other country, you can go to the country that you are of interest and you get a country kit from here and utilize it in creating a design. So remember to subscribe to the channel if you want to get such nuggets and more.